Hello and Assalamu alaikum my beautiful viewers. I am back again with yet another mouth-watering, tantalizing, vibrant, crunchy Thai salad, which is an absolute flavor bomb. So let's start without any further ado, and you know what? It's vegan as well. The first ingredient that goes into the salad is raw papaya. I'm going to show you two ways how to actually do the juliennes. This is a very rustic way of doing juliennes, the way it's done in Thailand, which is basically just banging a very sharp knife on raw papaya and then cutting it so there are rough edges, various sizes, different textures. This needs a little bit of I would say expertise, so if you're scared, just use normal julienne peeler, which I'll be showing later on how to do that. But to be honest, you have to be very careful with it. You have to make sure that it doesn't hurt your hands, otherwise yes, this peeler is perfect. It's easily available in the market. So I have got about a cup of this shredded raw papaya. Into this I will be adding two types of cabbage. Basically, vegetable is your choice, whichever type of vegetables you like to add. I'm using white cabbage and red cabbage, which is indeed purple cabbage in color. So the next vegetable that I am adding is my lovely julienne carrots. Again, I've used the same peeler. Deseeded cucumbers, I've taken the seeds out so it remains crunchy for a longer time and it doesn't get watery once the dressing goes in. Then scallions or spring onions, finely diced, finely chopped. In goes Marks and Spencer's pad thai rice noodles, which are the perfect combination for the salad. Then goes in Marks and Spencer's mango, which is ripe and in season at the minute, so do use your seasonal produce. Look at those beautiful vibrant colors and look at that gorgeous red pepper. It's mild and I am using about one red pepper, and then I've got some mint and some coriander chopped. Next in are the bean sprouts, which have already been cooked. These are Marks and Spencer bean sprouts, easily available these days in the market. Next, we will be making the iconic salad dressing, the Thai salad dressing, starting with some ground gula melaka, or this is basically palm sugar. I have actually ground it in my coffee grinder. Next goes in some ginger and garlic, which has been very finely chopped. And then lime juice. It's juice of 2 limes that I'm using. To give it freshness, you can use lemon by all means. Then I've got some ground peanuts. They are roasted, just a handful. I'm just eyeballing the measurements, so it doesn't have to be specific. You can adjust it according to your taste. Then goes in some sea salt. You can use any ordinary salt, but this actually gives it a really nice flavor and health benefits, of course. Then goes in some soya sauce. Use any normal soya sauce, no need to use any light or dark, just the usual one. And then I've got the key ingredient, which I am friends with, which is the pure sesame oil. It gives it a very distinct smoky flavor. About a tablespoon, but this is the kind of, I would say, the life of this salad. Then goes in some sriracha sauce for that light kick, that beautiful heat that will follow. Next goes in some toasted sesame seeds, entirely optional if you like to add it or not. Give it a good mix. The dressing is ready. In the end, I'm adding some toned up mint leaves, which will give a really nice cool taste. It is packed full of umami flavors. Adjust the seasoning. I am adjusting it with some sweetness, adding a bit more of sugar. Then I'll be adding the now cool down noodles, which I've cooked as per the packet's instruction. I'll mix it into the rest of the salad, give it a good toss, and then we will be plating up. Then I'll show you how to actually dress it with the dressing and how you can keep it vegan. Up till this stage, it is completely vegan, but if you like to add any animal protein like chicken or prawns or anything you like, even beef works, steaks works really well. So I've plated up my beautiful looking, look at that, how gorgeous these colors are. I'm plating the salad now and dressing generously with the dressing. I have to say one thing, in any Pan-Asian salad, dressing is the key. It is the hero, the shining star of any salad we see in Pan-Asian cuisine. I have dressed it up with some dressings and some sesame seeds, some red chilies. I am adding personally some marinated prawns, which are again from Marks and Spencer's, and some Thai crackers. do definitely serve it with thigh crackers. It just takes it to another level. You can by all means omit the prawns to keep it completely vegan. It's your personal choice, but it's absolutely tempting and delicious, and it smells divine. So till the next video, I would say you take care and let me know how you found my recipes. Do like and subscribe to my channel. It's free to do so. So take care. Bye.